Why do giraffes have long neck? The giraffe has long legs and long neck and distinctive spotted pattern. Many people before believed the giraffe was a cross between a leopard and camels. The giraffe's scientific name of Giraffa camelopardalis. Giraffes live in savanna areas of Africa. Their extreme bright allow them to eat leaves and shoots located higher than other animals can reach. Particular, they seek out Africa and acacia tree. Their long tongue are helpful in eating because they help pull leaves from the trees. Spending most of the day eating a full-grown giraffes consume over 45 kilo of leaves and twigs a day. Around 15 million years ago, antelope-like animals were roaming the dry grassland of Africa. There are nothing very special about them, but some of their neck were long. Within mere 6 million years, they had evolved into animals that looked like modern giraffe, though the modern species only turned up around 1 million years ago. The latest animals are giraffes standing between 4.5 and 5 meters tall and the almost half in height each neck. People assume that giraffes' long neck envelope of help them feed. If you have a long neck, runs the arguments you can eat leaves on tall tree that your rivals cannot reach. There is no another possibility. The prodigious snakes many have little to do with food and everything to do with sex. The evidence supporting the high leading theory of surprising weak. Giraffe in South Africa do spend a lot of time brown for food high up in trees, but elsewhere in Africa they don't skim to water even when food in surface. Neck are long, but there have been ones. Long necks come at a cost because a giraffe's brain is around 2 meters above its head and heart. The heart was to be big and powerful. In fact, for the blood to reach the brain, it has to be pumped at highest pressure of any animals. So there must be a big payback to the keep giraffe neck so long. The latest theory, and it's the surprise this has not come up before given biologists fictions with it, is that the long necks are result of the sexual selection. That is the envelope of the males as a very way of the competing for female. Male giraffes fight for the females by neck. They stand the side by side and showing up the backish of their head into each other rib and legs. Top left with this, their skull are unusually thick and they have horn-like growth called Occasion's cone on the top of their heads. Their heads, in short, are battering rams and are the quite capable of breaks their opponent bones. Wings, the long and the powerful neck would be an advantage in these deals, and it is the been found that the males with long neck tend with wing and also that females reverse them. The neck for sex idea also help to explain the giraffe have extended their necks so much more than their legs. Thanks for watching my videos.